Electroplating. Have you heard about electroplating? The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on metal using electricity is called electroplating. It is one of the most common applications of chemical effects of electric current. Chromium, nickel, tin, zinc and cadmium are often used to plate copper, iron and steel objects. An electric current is passed through a solution that conducts electricity. The solution is called an electrolyte. To create this current, two electrodes are dipped into the electrolyte solution and connected to a battery power. When current is given, electrodes gain a charge. Positively charged electrode is called anode and negatively charged is called cathode. Electrodes and electrolytes are carefully chosen based upon what material we are plating with. If we want to copper plate another metal, we have to use a copper-based electrolyte and a copper anode. The copper for the plating comes from the electrolyte solution which gets replenished from the anode. Here we are going to copper plate a brass metal. For that, we take copper as anode and brass as cathode and a copper-based solution. So copper sulfate solution is taken as the electrolyte. Copper sulfate solution contains blue copper ions and colorless sulfate ions. Copper ions are positively charged and attracted to the negatively charged brass cathode. The copper ion gets deposited on brass. Thus copper plating begins. The positively charged copper ion gains electrons. The sulfate ions are negatively charged and are attracted to the positively charged copper anode. The current supplied to the anode causes the copper atoms to lose electrons and then dissolve into the electrolyte solution. So the copper ions move from anode to cathode in the solution, and electrons move from anode to cathode through the wire. Copper anode bar gradually dissolves into the solution to replenish the copper ion in the solution. So the concentration of copper in the solution is maintained until the bar gets completely dissolved.